Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you set up your Verizon Internet Gateway WNC CR200A. So here's a guide to install, Wi-Fi setup and activation. Step 1. Unbox the gateway. Verizon Internet Gateway WNC CR200A, power adapter, Ethernet cable which is optional, and quick start guide. Step 2. Place the gateway. Place the gateway on a flat, elevated surface. Position it near a window or an exterior wall for the best 5G signal. Keep it away from large metal objects and other electronics that may interfere with the signal. Step 3. Power on the gateway. Connect the power adapter to the gateway. Plug it into a power outlet. Wait up to 5 minutes while it starts up. The LED will blink while booting. When it turns solid white, the gateway is connected and is ready to use. If it stays solid red, move the gateway to another location with a better signal. Step 5. Step 4. Connect your devices. Using Wi-Fi, find the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and Wi-Fi password on the label on the bottom of the gateway. On your phone, laptop, or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings, select your Verizon Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password, or scan the QR code on the gateway label if available. Using Ethernet, plug one end of the Ethernet cable into one of the gateway's LAN ports. Connect the other end to your computer or another wired device. Wait for the device to detect the network automatically. Step 5. Customize your Wi-Fi, which is optional. Open the My Verizon app or a web browser. Go to Settings, Gateway's admin page, and sign in using the admin password printed on the gateway label. Change the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password if desired, then save your changes. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.